yɛne Nicholas Opoku ending komo a resident or a seismologist yɛne no ending komo na yɛmbisa nsanye bia no enoma ekoswe no so obi be bi sa kwampo na process na etesen na what scale and ebetimi akose sa damage a ye ka ho asem no apani ye makwa ba
eja
na enom tisen anope
Yehowadom ye ho ye pa
yo apani nkoma ye die efa eye blastings a ekoso e around the West Hills Mall area say amanfo enoma ebubu amanfo edan anya bia no say ye ka scale and as magnitude of a year sa blastings here at what point it may cause sa damage we say
blastings no de uhwemu a ye measure ana ye time for magnitude and a tie ye blasting ohwe a ye tell you so you be peak particle velocity PPV
okay
and on ye tie the measure blasting.
Okay.
Now you say PPV, no, there are international standards. I'm saying Ghana and Kasadi say that in developable standard for that. International standard the what PPV in the quasi water. Say water it bet me a cause damage to buildings. You say be a water something above 10 ppv. I are now entire ppv there is a 10 millimeter per second.
Okay.
So that is a assassin no displace by 10 millimeter per second. A ppv peak particle velocity no etra and no I na enye seeds. Na ni nyina no e was international standards e wo ho a ye different. It is all the explosives be set from now blast here. There will international standard in new kwan say it will be tra e betimi na say ben maybe a nipatia a betimi akoso and that.
But answer na abaya sa a friend say blastings we say no what me measure a ppv a wo kan ho say no conditions need to say what are the conditions that are to be met?
So far as I know, let me say mra wo kakra govern blastings I was say via nipa ebitimi aye wo my na company or whatever. I know say answer na be blasting kra no but we say e beside police for no bit mama details me. Let me say we say police for ho no ma betwe blasting na wo ye no. Because there are laws that govern even handling of explosives. My name details in India there, but I say I was police war before say be a obetimi blast. And I even cry no say before so be blast cry no. I was say communities na we inform more time because these things are done at a predetermined time. More time we be inform more so at this particular time. The Bible carry out blasting and then assist. And then say blasting so mo go be omo here to say mining ni quarry no there omo there brano no omo blast. I mean say minerals commission inspectorate division no omo wo ho say bia before say we kura be mining no be regulate omo mining levels. Yen geological survey there na here no they say blast we are seeking no the equipment no ben baby e wona e betimi apeke na ye hu level na isi but me can we shouldn't be too quick to judge say ade see last Saturday is as a result of blasting. Yeah, we share your equipment we have no utmus apeke signals kama station back wa tomota apeke station wa kosombo peke even Kumasi station krano epeke ene so pon unfortunately na a major station no down and no ntimi ama but all these other stations na here too many na epeke so na me ye analysis na hwemu a ni kwase ye conclude say a blasting it lose more of a natural event.
Well, almost the frequency at which it's been happening, the residents in the area, the frequency cost one. And no indigenous and it's not just about Saturday, but previous days wɔn ho sɛ nkɔfoɔ no yɛ blasting na ɛbɛtumi ayɛ saa but me bisa o
eti no mɛsrɛ sɛ ɔmo ma yɛnyɛ investigation no yie yɛnkɔ contact company na the so called company na ɔmo ka yɛnkɔ observe ɛhɔ no because wo detonate a ebi hu blasting no aboɔ na abubu na gu hɔ ne n'asefoɔ nyinaa even kromo ankasa ɔmo infrastructure ɔmo hɔ no sɛ deɛ esi affect no n'asefoɔ ɛwɔ sɛ ehwɛ ne nyinaa ansa na ya draw a conclusion sɛ ɛyɛ China for no na carry out blasting.
But
yeah,
is there a possibility that blasting exercise can trigger a tremor?
A bit to me, I trigger a tremor. Say it will induce seismicity, and it will trigger seismicity. Normally, they say what the explosives in initial form now blast here. Say shaking, no, say more of the energy now, if free explosives in mobile and another time they say induced event. So it will also so na shaking no and yet energy need free chemicals are the share from the blasting no. It will all it may cause so fault now. I build this stress that no Emma and also a slip. Then so release more energy at the account one na shake more. It you know a thought that's also blasting also to make trigger some of these events.
Opening your bedo as say
because baby fault zones one or fault lines were in say who carry out blasting Zamiana it mean Emma fault no move na ahodi agina mu no release na ba be ka explosives ne de no ho so na akoso much damage akoso much shaking. Now the opening says normally no say blasting no kwa aya na ahoɔden no localized etajina the local area na blasting no take place no kwa and then to me enko atipi enwo so ma nipa entin bibi ana etaye localized but say movement along faults there. To say earthquake, normal natural earthquake na and the other nipa be and as I say shaking blasting also so my fault line no move na no so release more energy so ka ho a and so timi ma nipa be but the mesra ma for so omunya abotema yenye emu hwehwemu kakra hwe and san yetimi draw a conclusion say as a result of the blasting work done by the Chinese.
Medo as pay Mr. Opoku say ojeme na needing come.
Yeah, that's it.
Mr. Nicholas Opoku seismologist yenino aiding come yeje nadwene efa residents of around the West Hills more one say the activities of a Chinese firm area say one more properties honum say one more air blasting ni one more blast ya na ebubu oma dying TVs any walls any other dia crack no ni nyina ho enkomo eni edi